Number 16, keep a notebook. It means to regularly use a notebook for writing down information or personal thoughts.
She keeps a notebook for her daily reflections. She keeps a notebook for her daily reflections. I keep a notebook for new vocabulary. I keep a notebook for new vocabulary. It's helpful to keep a notebook during lectures. It's helpful to keep a notebook during lectures.
Number 17, keep the peace. It means to maintain order and prevent conflict.
Police are there to help keep the peace. Police are there to help keep the peace. He always tries to keep the peace at home. He always tries to keep the peace at home. Community leaders worked together to keep the peace. Community leaders worked together to keep the peace.
Number 18, keep a record. It means to maintain written or digital notes of events or transactions.
She keeps a record of all meetings. She keeps a record of all meetings. Businesses must keep a record of their sales. Businesses must keep a record of their sales. It's important to keep a record of your expenses. It's important to keep a record of your expenses.
Number 19, keep to the rules. It means to follow or adhere to established guidelines or regulations.
Students are expected to keep to the rules. Students are expected to keep to the rules. Please keep to the rules while using the lab. Please keep to the rules while using the lab. Keeping to the rules ensures everyone's safety. Keeping to the rules ensures everyone's safety.
Number 20, keep secrets. It means to not reveal confidential or personal information.
She knows how to keep secrets. She knows how to keep secrets. It's hard for him to keep secrets. It's hard for him to keep secrets. Can you keep secrets from your friends? Can you keep secrets from your friends?